Hello kids, so now we're gonna review the previous lesson. Are you ready? Now let's listen and repeat after me, okay? Poster. Good. What it is? Yes, picture. Picture. What are they? Okay, they are drawers. 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 Good. What is it? Well done. It's a cupboard. 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 Okay, that's great. Now, let's say aloud all the words. Good. Poster. Picture. Drawers. Cupboard. Okay, well done. Now, let's move on next part. The song. Was in the classroom. Okay? Now, listen and repeat after me. Was in the classroom. Let's have a look. Posters and pictures and work in a book. Was in the classroom. What can you see? Drawers and a cupboard. For you and for me. Was in the classroom. Was over there. A door and a window. A table and chair. What's in the classroom? What can you see? A board and pegs. For you and for me. Okay? Now, please stop my video and say aloud, read aloud the song before singing. Bây giờ trước khi các con hát ý, thì các con sẽ dừng cái video của cô lại và con sẽ đọc lại cho cô giáo toàn bộ cái nội dung bài hát nhé. Ok? Các con hãy dừng lại video nào. Ok, thì bây giờ cô sẽ có một cái thử thách dành cho các bạn, đó là các bạn sẽ hát theo cái đoạn CD này của cô giáo nhé. Là sẽ nghe bài hát ạ. Con hát theo to theo nhé.
Listening 10. Listen and sing. What's in the classroom?
What's in the classroom? Let's have a look. Posters and pictures and work in a book. What's in the classroom? What can you see? Drawers and a cupboard for you and for me. What's in the classroom? What's over there? A door and a window, a table and chair. What's in the classroom? What can you see? A board and pegs for you and for me.
Okay, that's great. Các em hãy dừng lại video và chúng ta sẽ luyện tập nhé. Hát theo CD nhiều lần ạ. Now, let's read aloud the song, the English alphabet. Mình sẽ ôn lại cái nội dung bài về đấy nhé. Về bảng chữ cái. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and play this game with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Close your eyes and count to 10. O, P, Q, R, S, T. Touch your nose and touch your knee. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Touch your feet and touch your head. Ok, các con hãy chặn lại video để nghe lại nội dung của giáo hướng dẫn nhé. Được chưa? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye guys. Tạm biệt các em nha.